Okay, now this is the next task is what? 18I. The manager would like to see all the details of all the frauds that need cleaning. Right. So for this we will open 18H practical. Let me open 18H. 18H is opened here. Click on enable the content. Save file. First save this. Save as. Save as. It's 18I. Click on save. It is saved. Now the question says the manager would like to see all the details of all the frauds that need cleaning. Right. Now just minimize this. Cars table, click on create. Query wizard. OK. Select all the fields. Next. Next. Modify the query design. Finish. Now see. Just find out cleaning. This cleaning. Now just scroll it here. Can you see it's written clean? That is cleaning. That in criteria row. Just type here yes. Yes means whatever cards are there. If in that column yes will be mentioned, so that will be displayed. Now click on yes and then click on run query. See, only one car is being reflected. Right. So this will be your result. Now save this. Close this. Don't close, just minimize it because we have to see the next query also. 18J. The manager would like to see all the details of all the cars made by Ford or Vauxhall. Right. Now we have to see two things over here. Made by Ford or Vauxhall. It is not off, it is on. So the car is made by Ford or Vauxhall. So these two things we have to see. Now again we will go. Let us save this query. First close this. Close. File. Save as. This will be 18J. Click on save. Enable content. Okay. Now I'll delete these two because I don't want. This is previously done. So delete all this. This is new practical. Okay. Now go to create. Same process. Query wizard. Simple query. Okay. Select this table only. Select all the fields. Click on next. Click on next. Click on cars table query. Fine. Or if you want to put the name as per the given question, you can delete and you can put. Click on modify the query design. Click on finish. Now see carefully. I have to display the entire data manufactured by Ford. I want to display the cars manufactured by Ford or Vauxhall. Can you see in this criteria? Here you write Ford, F-O-R-D, and or Vauxhall. Right. So this will be your query. It will display only the cars manufactured by Ford or Vauxhall. Right. Now click on run. See, it is displaying the cars which are manufactured by Vauxhall or Ford. We will not find any other cars in this record, right? So this is your 18J query. Clear? Now close this. Click on yes. Now the next query we will see 18K. The sales manager would like to see the sales details. It is not sales details, it is sales details. Sales details of all the cars in stock not made by Ford. Right? Not made by Ford. So I'll show you again how to do. Just save this 18K. This is 18K. Save. Enable content. Now delete this query. This is the fresh one we are going to do. Class table. Go to create. Query wizard. OK. Select the table. Select the entire field. Next. Next. Modify the query design. Click on finish. Okay, now it says, I'll show the query. What is the requirement? The sales manager would like to see the details of, see the details of all the cars in stock not made by Ford. The condition is not made by Ford, right? Not. So you will go in the manufacturing column, go to the criteria row, right here not Ford Ford. This is your query. Not is negation keyword, right? After this, click on run to see the output. See, these are all the cars details which is not made by the Ford, right? This is your 18K. Now close this cars table query. Click on yes. Again open the notepad. We will see the 18L. It says the manager would like to see all the details of all the cars that have alloy wheels, right? Alloy wheels comes in extra column, right? So I just want to display those cars details which has alloy wheels as an extra things, right? So this is 18L practical. Go to file. First delete this query because we are going to save a new one, new table. File, save as 18L, save. Okay. Now go to create, same process, query wizard. Okay. Select the table, select this entire columns. Next, next. Put the query name. If you want, you can take a question name itself to understand. Click on modify the query design. Click on finish. Right now the query says, let me again see the query. What is the question? The manager would like to see all the details of the cars that have alloy wheels. Right. So alloy wheel you will find in extra column. This, can you see this column? Here you will find alloy wheels. So in criteria row, type here alloy wheels. Right. Now click on run command. See. So I found two cars which have alloy wheels. This will be your result of the query. Right. Now save this task. Close this table. We will see the next. It's very easy query. You don't have to worry about. Simple queries are given. 18M says the sales manager would like to see the details of all the cars in stock for sale less than or equal to $4125, right? So I want to display the cars details whose sale is less than or equal to $4125, right? So just think in your mind, I have to display all the cars detail whose sale is less than or equal to $4125. So for sale we have selling price column, S price column. So first save this, save as. This is 18M practical. So 18M, save this, enable the content, go to delete this, press delete key, it will be deleted. Then go to create, query wizard, OK. Select the entire field by this arrow, click on next, put the query, whatever query name you want to put, you can put, click on modify the query design, click on finish, right. Now just see where is my S price, selling price. So my selling price is here. Go in the criteria section. It is set less than or equal to, right? So I will write less than or equal to 4125, right? Now run the command. See, I got all these are the cars details, which whose selling price is less than $4125 or rupees, you can say, because in computer by default symbol is rupees, right? So this is your 18M query, right? Where we are accessing single table. We are not accessing multiple tables in this. We have accessed just single table up to query M, right? Now close this. Yes. Now close this access also. Let us see the new query. Now 18N. It says find Mr. Varela a list of all the students that he teaches for maths. So I have to display the students detail in the sense name, surname, the subject maths which is taught by Mr. Varela, right? So I have to display all the students name, especially math students which is taught by Mr. Varela, right? So let us see. I have to include his extract, full name and teaching room also. Full name, surname and first name will come, right? So let us see. Now try to understand. Here we have to access two tables now. One the teachers table and the other is students table. From teachers table I have to find out the detail of Mr. Varela. From student table I want to find out the details of the students, as in their name and their first name and surname. These two things, right? So in this query we are supposed to access two tables. Make it very clear. So if you remember, in 18G practical we had made a relationship between two tables, right? In 18G practical, if you remember, right? So open 18G table database. See, enable content. Now go to create query result. Here we have to relate two tables. It is already being related. We have already made a relationship in 18G. So we don't have to create a relationship again. Click on simple query. Okay. Now the first table is teachers table. Select teachers table. What I want to display? Teacher's first name, surname and room number. Only these three stuff. So select these three. Now select the other table. This is student table. From this I want to display student name and this surname, also the math, right? But math subject I don't have to display. Just there is a condition, so I am taking maths. But I will not display this. So just see, from table teachers I have taken name, surname and room. From table students I have taken their first name, surname and maths column. Click on next. Click on next. Write down here students taught by Professor Varela maths. It is up to you, you can write anything. Click on modify the query design. Click on finish. Right? Now see, you will find, now you can see there are two tables. In 18G we had already made a relationship, if you remember, right? So you can see teacher ID is related to maths. So because of this relationship, I was supposed to take maths column. But in the result, I do not have to show the maths column, right? So for that, what I will do? See, I will untick this maths. Can you see this? I will untick this maths, and here I will type AVA because the teacher's code is AVA. Professor Varela's code is AVA, right? I have typed it. Now it will display the students of only the